Hey everybody, let's know about CSS text. The first one is color. With color you can change the text color. Let's see. If you write color and change it into red, your color will be changed like this. And let's take the idea of this alignment, and here let's make align our text. By alignment you can align your text horizontally. Text align into center. Let's see my text align now. With decoration you can decorate to your text. Let's see text decoration overline. With overline you can give a line over your text. With underline you can give line under your text, and if you choose this into none, your line will be disappeared. I'm gonna take underline now. And with text shadow you can give shadow to your text. How? Let's see. Text shadow 2 pixel, 2 pixel, 4 pixel. Now let's see. It is shadow of my text.